Doris purchased a new studio apartment and wants to decorate it. She's on a budget, but she looks for unique design furniture. Luckily, DecoMe is there to help. Doris uses DecoMe online inspiration portal to find new design ideas based on Ikea products. She decides which Ikea products she wants to use, and then modifies them with DecoMe amazing add-ons to make the room look unique. Doris orders the add-ons online and easily assembles them onto Ikea products. The result is stunning. With the help of DecoMe, Doris' new home looks like a designer's unique work. And Ikea gained a new happy client.